You spent years, maybe even decades, building up your 401k. But now the big question is, how do I turn that into a reliable paycheck once you stop working? A lot of people assume the hard part is saving. And yes, saving consistently over time is a huge accomplishment. But turning that nest egg into steady monthly income in retirement, that's where things get tricky. Hey there, I'm Andrew Rafal, founder and CEO of Bayntree Wealth Advisors. Over the last 15 years, I've helped hundreds of people figure out this exact transition, how to take what you've built and turn it into income that you can count on, no matter what the market's doing. And if you're like most of the folks that we talk to, this is one of your biggest concerns heading into retirement. So in this video, I'm going to break down 3 simple steps to help you turn your 401k into a retirement paycheck. Step 1, know what you need. First things first, you've got to know your number. What will it take to cover your monthly essentials? Things like housing, food, healthcare, insurance. Then don't forget the fun stuff, traveling, hobbies, maybe spoiling the grandkids a little. When you add it all up, you'll have a much clearer picture of the income your retirement and other investments need to generate each month. Step 2, we're going to set up a 3-bucket strategy. So once you know how much you'll need, the next step is to organize your investments into 3 buckets. First, we have the short term. This is 1 to 2 years of income sitting in cash or something very safe. That way, if the market dips, you're not forced to sell anything at a loss. Then we have midterm. This holds more conservative investments. It's there to help refill your short-term bucket as needed. And then finally, long-term. This stays invested for growth. Because let's face it, retirement can last 30 plus years and your money needs to keep up with inflation. This strategy gives you confidence to stay invested while still making sure you have income coming in, rain or shine. And step 3, withdrawal in a tax smart way. Now, this is where a lot of people get tripped up. Every type of account you own, 401, IRA, Roth IRA, brokerage account, it's taxed a little differently. And if you're not careful with how you draw from them, you could end up paying way more in taxes than is necessary. The common approach that a lot of people take is to start with your taxable accounts first, then move to the pre-tax like your 401 or IRA, and then finally Roth IRA withdrawals. But really the right strategy depends on things like your age, income, when you start Social Security, and how your accounts are structured. It is a lot to navigate. And for many people, this is where a financial advisor can help clarify the picture and walk you through the options. Because when it's done right, this kind of planning can save you 6 figures in taxes over your lifetime. Done wrong, you might face higher Medicare premiums or unexpected taxes on your Social Security. Turning your 401k into income, it takes more than just crunching numbers. It takes a plan. But when you know how much you need, and you structure your withdrawals the right way, and you stay smart about taxes, you can head into retirement with real confidence. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more retirement planning tips from our team here at Bayntree Wealth Advisors. And if you're ready to build a personalized plan to turn your retirement savings into reliable retirement income, visit us at baintree.com/hello. We'd love to help. Happy planning, everybody.